Classical Feng Shui masters may warn that 2026 will test the tiger, that great shark and white tiger bring turbulence and loss. But in Imperial Harvest, we see differently. This is not a year of fear, but of refinement. A year to strengthen focus, temper, emotion, and move with conscious rhythm. Because when the pace slows, wisdom emerges, and the tiger's quiet strength begins to roar. Without auspicious stars, 2026 challenges the tiger to find light from within. Great shark and white tiger brings turbulence, but they also reveal mastery through composure. At Imperial Harvest, we see this as the year of tempered growth, where calm becomes power and patience becomes momentum. Restraints refine strength, and discipline builds destiny. The tiger walks a quieter path this year, one of discipline and review. It is a cycle rebuilding, not rushing. Those who refine strategy, manage emotion, and strengthen stability will transform testing into triumph. With great shark and flying chase active, financial caution is key. Avoid speculation, high-risk ventures, and casual loans. Adopt structured savings and measured expansion. In Imperial Feng Shui, preservation is key. Each plan secured now builds the most prosperity. Workplace shift may slow momentum, but stability is strength. Refine processes, cultivate patience, and avoid office politics. Entrepreneurs should pause expansion and fortify systems. Progress this year comes not through noise, but through mastery. The white tiger and earth shark stars urge caution. Avoid overexertion, risky travel, and late nights. Nourish your chi through rest, mindful meals, and steady rhythm. True vitality comes not from force, but from flow. The back-poking and red chamber stars stir gossip and misunderstanding. Guard your tone and timing. Singles, through sincerity over spark. Couples, rebuild trust through calm presence. Empathy turns conflict into connection. When stars fade, strategy shines. Your Imperial Path's blueprint reveals your timing, when to pause, when to advance. Each Imperial Feng Shui treasure restores balance, protecting your chi and aligning intention with opportunity. Through alignment, the tiger turns reflection into renewal. Classical Feng Shui teaches fear to avoid, to retreat, to wait. Imperial Feng Shui teaches foresight to refine, realign, to rise. For the tiger, 2026 is not punishment, but preparation. Claim your Imperial Path's blueprint 2026 today. Refine your path, protect your fortune, and master your destiny.